This is Sally, a savvy
Thu Âm
landlord.
Việt
She's
chấm
prepping
com.
her new rental. Her tenants' leases are utilities inclusive. Sally's building came with a regular washer and dryer. Sally bought a smart coin box to convert the washer and dryer into coin-operated units. Smart Coin Box is a cheap alternative to super expensive commercial laundry. Smart Coin Box is compatible with any brand. It's easy to use, and there's no need to install. Just plug it into the wall. Sally knows that if laundry is free, her tenants will be washing or drying single pieces, or worse, bring their friends for free laundry. With Smart Coin Box, the laundry use won't be abused. Her bills will stay low, and she'll even make some money towards a new rental. Be savvy like Sally. Add a Smart Coin Box to your laundry machines today. But concerned that operating expenses are keeping you from being as profitable as you should be? Do you find that the agency standards and principles that were in place in the past have become lost or watered down over time? That is because as an agency grows and adds more people, there are more ideas about how things should be done. You may have invested tons of money on your operations, your people, your technology, and using your people and your technology more effectively can dramatically improve your profitability. Management should determine how each task must be performed and communicate those expectations.
Thu Âm Việt chấm com.
That is what maximizes your resources and boosts efficiency. Comparing your agency's productivity to industry benchmarks can often be an exercise in frustration. That's because no other agency is exactly like yours. But where do you start? It can be a bit overwhelming. We can help. Evaluating staffing, developing or updating agency standards and procedures, identifying and eliminating work redundancies, maximizing the use of your technology, minimizing E&O exposure.
This is the company information section. It is compulsory to fill in your enterprise details here. And don't forget to read the terms and conditions before continuing to protect your rights. Then, you have successfully registered for a DSBC corporate account. We will send a confirmation letter to your email address and contact you in a few. Please have the necessary documents ready beforehand. And then, your account will be activated in 1 or 2 working days. Thank you, and happy banking with DSBC Financial Europe.
This is what coding feels like. At STEM School, we provide online coding lessons for children aged 7 to 11. Choose from virtual camps or virtual after-school clubs. Code worlds with Minecraft and solve exciting challenges. Launch your career in 3D game design with Roblox Studio or build fun and exciting games with Scratch. With our online tuition, we help give them the confidence to be creative. Giving children the opportunity to learn about technology and the way computers work will give them an advantage in life and set them up for a successful career. Enroll today and unlock their future.
Hello, and thank you for calling Growth Group. If you know the extension of the party you are trying to reach, you may dial it at any time. For existing clients, press 1.
Thu Âm Việt
If you're looking to inquire about our marketing services, press 2. To repeat this menu, press 3.
Dinko E&C has completed millions of square meters of floor space, the majority of which has been for industrial projects. We are committed to and consistent with the slogan, Best Before Largest, to maximize benefits and bring the highest satisfaction to customers. With the project Sunshine Aerospace Aviation Components Mill in Da Nang, we have provided the owner, Universal Ally Corporation from the United States, the most complete service. With our efforts and great support from local authorities and the owner, it only took 1 month to complete all legal procedures and permits for the project to start properly on March 29, 2019. And to meet the requirements that the project should be completed and handed over in 4.5 months, and the quality of the project must meet the rigorous standards of the owner, We've used modern technologies in design and construction. With modern machines, we have leveled nearly 134,000 m3 of land and transported and constructed concrete panels, columns, and prefabricated beams of large size and weight. To meet the owner's requirements and standards for the logistics warehouse area and the wastewater treatment area, we constructed 400 ranges of precast concrete floors for these two areas. At the same time, Dinko's MEP engineers have constructed and installed 37 anodizings with the size of 10.5 by 1.9 meters and height of 3.3 meters each tank for the anodizing area, and also for wastewater treatment areas with a total area of 1,200 m2. With highest effort and determination, we have timely handed over the first workshop item with a floor area of more than 20,000 square meters for the owner to install machinery on August 15, 2019, as committed with quality exceeding expectation. In 2009, Grossbeckert Group from Germany, together with Dinko, laid the foundation for a good and long-term relationship with the completion of the first phase of Grossbeckert Vietnam factory project with a scale of 34,500 m2. 10 years later, in 2019, Grossbeckert and Dinko reached an agreement to continue to implement the second phase of the project. A design and build contract for a new factory with a size of 35,300 m2 was signed. Not betraying the owner's trust, Dinko is committed to providing the owner with the construction and finishing quality that exceeds expectation with the highest and strictest standards. For the project to withstand the wind speed up to 250 kilometers per hour, we used 318 board piles from 1 meter diameter and 12 meter length anchored to the soil. The building uses double skin for roof. Wall corrugated iron sheets and wall insulation are completed. The outside brick wall is built with 2 solid layers, certified 1 million hours of safe work. In 2019, the world's leading corporation in the field of steel wire and steel cord manufacture, Beckart, with headquarters in Belgium, reached an agreement with Dinko for a general contractor contract of design and build, an MEP for a Beckart factory project in VSIP Quang Nagai. Through over 6 months working together, the Dinko and Beckart design team came up with the best solutions with impressive figures and data. BIM was applied and deployed effectively and consistently, from the design stage to the construction stage, in order to optimize the time and quality of work. To withstand storms and wind speed of 208 kilometers per hour, we used 18,000 piles for 150 kilometers of cement deep mixing pile, CDM, to reinforce the ground of the factory and yard. The gutter drainage system and concrete roof water collection system have drainage pipes only at both ends to eliminate drainage into the workshop. The open pit system is made of precast concrete to optimize the drainage flow as well as construction time and cost of the project. And the whole floor uses steel fiber concrete according to seamless floor construction standards. A 110 kV power station was separately designed to meet the electricity demand up to 189 MVA with 9 transformer substations, each having the capacity of 2,500 kVA with a perfect grounding network, low impedance of 5 × 5 M, and spreading over 59,397 M2. All HVAC system equipment is individually designed, having cold capacity of 10,000 kW with 4 chillers and 65 AHUs. In the field of industrial project construction, each industry group has unique requirements that require Dinko to flexibly apply many solutions from value engineering design to construction in order to bring about the highest satisfaction for customers. Typically, the group of logistics projects requires very high standards in the design and construction of the foundation, such as the projects Mapletree Logistics Park Phase 5 and Nippon Paint Warehouse, or projects with very high requirements for energy and environmental protection standards, and projects in the food and beverage industry that have strong requirement for clean room and hygiene standards. Hanneken's family projects in Quang Nam and Vung Tau specialize in supplying cans for the beverage industry. Finishing quality in these projects completely satisfies the most rigorous requirements and standards of the owner from Japan, as well as large-scale projects. In addition to the industrial construction field, Dinko E&C is also known as a reliable partner for the toughest customers with the most stringent requirements for finishing quality and aesthetics to be selected in the implementation of apartment, hotel, and resort projects. In March 2017, Dinko E&C was assigned by the owner Sun Frontier from Japan to construct the Hiyori Garden Tower apartment project, located in the heart of Da Nang City as the general contractor for all the construction, electromechanical, and interior work. Project scale, 24 floors, 2 basements, height of 99.35 meters. Total number of apartments is 306. Total floor area of 34,100 m2. With nearly 30 months of construction, the work is marked with memorable achievements and milestones. 102 bore piles with the average length of 58 meters each, 1 meter anchored into the constructed rock. Barrette diaphragm wall is 0.6 meters to 0.8 meters thick and 20 meters deep over a circumference of 185 meters. The foundation and basement section uses 900 tons of steel and 2,765 m3 of concrete. The body had the schedule of 5 days for each floor. We met the strict tolerance requirements for the thickness of the concrete layer, protecting the reinforcement, which is less than 5 millimeters for the entire reinforced concrete structure. Finishing work with extremely high quality according to the most rigid construction, installation, and acceptance procedures, completely meeting requirements of the owner and construction experts from Japan. Thanks to the prestige and reputation of Sun Frontier and Dinko, Hiyori Garden Tower apartment products were sold 100% after completing the mock-up house. Established in 2004, Dinko has 2 offices in Ho Chi Minh City and Da Nang, with 400 employees and over 3,000 workers. To specialize in improved quality, Dinko has established member companies, including Dinko Engineering and Construction Corporation, DAC Project Management Joint Stock Company, Dodechco Mechanical and Electrical Inc. Dinko E&C is a first-class general contractor for industrial and civil projects. DAC is a first-class enterprise in the field of industrial project design, including architecture, structure, electromechanical, infrastructure design, construction project management, recommending value engineering solutions, consulting, and carrying out legal procedures. Dodechco Mechanical and Electrical Inc. specializes in the field of construction and electromechanical systems. Dinko E&C's business philosophy and culture is built and develops sustainability on the foundation of integrity and honesty. We have set up the highest standards of ethical business performance, which each employee is committed to follow. We are open and transparent in all dealings with clients, partners, and subcontractors. To achieve these goals, the Dinko leadership team always acts according to the mission of servant leadership with 8 principles. Such that Dinko E&C has built millions of square meters of floor space, of industrial workshops and civil works that have won over hundreds of clients, among that more than 90% coming from abroad from a wide variety of industries and fields. But they have one thing in common. It is the desire to deploy and complete the investment projects in the best way, in accordance with the budget, ensuring quality and progress as well as maintaining long-term and sustainable partnerships. All those desires are cherished and made endless efforts by Dinko E&C to satisfy at the highest level, serving from heart to heart. Dinko, best before largest. Happiness does not come to you. It is made by yourself. Feel. Close the eyes. Happiness could meet when you come closer. With a different life, feel happiness teeth. No worry, forever. Premium Implant Magicor. It's time to change.
You are a sanitary product manufacturer, and you need a showcase that's up to your ambitions? Highlight your expertise and boost your visibility by joining the reference marketplace for sanitary products, Hygiene B2B. Registration is fast and free. Fill in your product information within a few clicks, and in less than 48 hours, your products are available on our online shop alongside the greatest brands. Thanks to our great network of healthcare professionals, communities, and businesses, your products can be seen all over the world. So move on and get online to www.hygieneb2b.com.
Meet your travel companion, the new Vietnam Airlines app. With a friendly user experience, Vietnam Airlines app lets you easily search for flights, buy airfare tickets, manage bookings, and many convenient features anytime, anywhere. Enjoy searching and booking flights to destinations worldwide with a new full-featured interface. Make easy payment with VNPay QR code, domestic and international card payments. Access, review all your upcoming trip information, request for ticket refund, and buy ancillaries right on your fingertips. Save time with online check-in. Download your boarding pass right into the app, and you're ready to go. Review and update information of your Lotus Miles account. Buying, transferring miles, or even receiving reward tickets are easy in just a few taps. Catch up the best deals from Vietnam Airlines and VNA Holidays cost-saving packages of flight, ticket, and hotel. Go anywhere in your wish list at affordable prices. Preparing for your next getaway has never been easier with the new Vietnam Airlines app. Download now and explore the world your way. Now available on Apple App Store and Google Play Store. Vietnam Airlines. Reach further.